Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the Sew Sampler July unboxing. This month's box is called Patio Picnic, and let's get started and see what's inside the July box. Okay, let's open this box and see what's inside. It's always so much fun to see what's inside. Okay, the first thing is a Riley Blake Designs Roly-Poly, and this is fabric by Heather Mulder-Peterson. And it is some just beautiful kind of fallish colors. Just turquoise, yellow, green, gray, orange. Just a really, really fun mix of colors. And Heather Mulder-Peterson, she's an amazing designer. She's one of the first people who I started making her patterns when I was a new quilter. And so that's really fun to get some of her fabric in there. This I'm super excited about. These are called Magic Pins, and this is actually a sampler box. Now, I'm hoping, I've been waiting. They have a couple of pins that I use, but there was one style that they were going to be coming out with. I'm hoping it's in here. Let's see. Oh, so this is brand new. I haven't seen these before. This is a fork pin that makes it really easy when you use this type of pin to keep things together so your seams don't shift. These are the little really sharp applique pins. They're shorter, so they're better for applique. And then this one I haven't seen before, so this might be the one I've been waiting for. That's a long pin, but also very thin. And then finally, this is the one I've been using. And yes, this is the one I've been waiting for. So what it is it's a long style pin, but it's also thin. So it looks like they have 4 different styles of their pins. So you can try them out and see which ones that you like the best. And then you can purchase that size. But this is a great sampler. I'll have fun trying out the 2 in there that are new to me. This is really something that I will use. Also, it's triangles on a roll, 1-inch finished half square triangle paper. And the smaller the half square triangle, the more important it is to have it accurate. And so having this 1-inch finished size is really great. I'm not sure that I had this size from triangles on a roll before, so this will be fun to use as well. Now this is a new to me product. It's called Hugo's Amazing Tape. Self-adhering reusable tape, and it's reusable. There's no residue. It's washable, it's water resistant, it adheres to itself, and it says hundreds of uses. Used to hold or bind crafts, cords, needlework, wood, paper, supplies, games, fishing, sports equipment, boxes, and many more. So this will also be fun to use. It'll be a great roll of tape to have in my bag probably when I travel as well. And some other things in this month's box are, you always get an exclusive pattern, and so this is the Patio Picnic pattern, and I believe it does. It uses the Roly-Poly with Heather's fabric. There's a Greatest Hits pattern, which is what they're including in all of the boxes now, and they always send you a little information card, so you get the information about all the products, and there's also a little information piece about the magic pins. So really great box. I'm gonna have fun making something for fall with this fabric, and I'm super excited to get the 1-inch triangle paper and the pins. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in the July Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. It's the Patio Picnic box, and I especially am excited about the pins, as I mentioned, and the Shades of Summer Roly-Poly from Heather Mulder-Peterson. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.